Dear student, myself Dr. Srikanth, Assistant Professor in Pharmaceutics Department, VL College of Pharmacy, Raichur. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon button for the latest video. Today we are going to topic which is selected, incompatibility. Incompatibility. Compatibility is always suggested for any of the dosage form or any of the preparation. Specifically, when come across pharmaceutical preparation, all the dosage form which is dispensed or which is used by the patient should be compatibility in the dosage form. This compatibility is very much important for the patient towards the safety purposes, efficacy purposes and appearance also. These three are very much important in the compatible preparation. So these things are observed. If it is any variation is there, we can say that it is an incompatibility. Okay, any preparation should be safety, efficacy and appearance in the final product. We will say that it is a compatible formulation. If any variation in these cases observed, we will say that incompatibility. This incompatibility may occur maybe during the formulation, during the manufacturing process, during the packaging process or during the administration process. So the reason may be the incompatibility of the preparation. Concluding that the incompatibility may occur during the preparation, during the administration or during the transport, etc. So the final conclusion is any preparation should be compatible when the patient is administered to the particular dosage form. Knowing this basic introduction, let me discuss what is the definition of the incompatibility. Incompatibility, it can be defined as when two or more incompatible drugs, see the word, when two or more incompatible drugs or ingredients prescribed in the prescription leads to the changes in the physical, chemical, therapeutic quality of a final finished preparation. So such type of the preparation is not suitable for the administration. Any change in the physical, chemical or therapeutic of a final product should not be administered to the patient. So finally, once again I am repeating the definition. When a prescription contain two or more incompatible drugs or ingredient which is prescribed by the prescriber, which prescription leads to the changes in the physical or maybe chemical or therapeutic of a final finished preparation. So such type of preparation are called as an incompatible preparation. Based on the final preparation, the classification of incompatibility will be classified as a physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, therapeutic incompatibility. So this is mainly based on the changes which is observed in the final product. Okay, let me discuss one by one what is the physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility or therapeutic incompatibility. So first one, physical incompatibility means which is observed under our visible. मतलब ये होता है physical incompatibility हमको दिखता है, जो भी फॉर्मुलेशन में चेंजेस जो हो रहा है ना वो हमारा आंखें को दिखता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं फिजिकल इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी. सो फिजिकल इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी आर द एग्जांपल्स आर द insolubility, immiscibility, precipitation, liquefaction. These are the commonly which will be observed when the formulation or the preparation when you observed. So insolubility means, for example, any undissolved substance is dissolved in water, that particle will be observed in our naked eyes. That is called an insolubility. Okay, immiscibility means oil in water. When you mix, both the layers will be observed. Precipitation, very common precipitation will be occurred. Okay, liquefaction, for example, menthol is there, it's a solid. Okay, upon the storage, what happen, it will converting into liquefaction. So that is called liquefaction. So any changes in physical property which will be visible to our naked eyes, that incompatibility is called as a physical incompatibility. Mainly there are two types of physical incompatibility. One is adjusted, another one is tolerated. one is adjusted, another one is tolerated. Adjusted incompatibility means prescription contain the A, B or C drugs are there. Okay, so with this presence of 3 ingredient, what happen, the prescription will comes as an incompatibility. So here we have to remove the A ingredient or C ingredient or B ingredient, or add the any other X ingredient to this prescription. That is called as an adjusted incompatibility, adjustable physical incompatibility. Okay, so if change in addition or removal or deletion or substitution of one of the ingredient which is prescribed by the prescription, that is called as an adjustable. Coming to the tolerated physical incompatibility, in this case you are not changing the any ingredient, but you are changing the order. For example, A, B, C are there. Here you are not changing the any ingredient, but when A is not compatible with B means you have to use for the A with the C. Understand? A is not compatible with B means A is mixed with C, and this C is mixed with B. This is called as an order of changing in the mixing. So very clearly indicating, in adjustable incompatibility you can change the ingredient or add or remove or substitution of any one of the ingredient, thereby eliminating the incompatibility. So whereas in tolerated you are not changing any prescription of the ingredient, you are changing the order of mixing or method of mixing, etc. are followed. That is called as a tolerated physical incompatibility. Okay, next comes the chemical incompatibility. So here changes in the chemical properties, which are invisible. Okay, so example are the oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, decarboxylation. These are the chemical reaction which occurs in the prescription when mixed together one or two or more ingredient in the prescription, and those will not be observed in our naked eyes. Again, there are two types are there, intentional as well as the unintentional form. Intentional chemical incompatibility, unintentional chemical incompatibility. Again, intentional is nothing but adjusted as well as the tolerated. Again, here unintentional is called as an adjustable, tolerable. Intentional is nothing but prescribed wantedly making the incompatibility in the prescription. That is why it is called as an intentional. Okay, whereas unintentional means prescriber is not known that the combination will be interact and produces the chemical reaction. So intentional is that prescriber known that the ingredient are incompatible even though prescribing that prescription, that is called as an intentional. Whereas unintentional is that prescriber don't know, by mistakenly he wrote the prescription which become as a chemical incompatibility, and these chemical incompatibility can be modify or overcome. The methods are that modify in order of mixing, addition or deletion of the ingredient which are present in the prescription, dispense the separately. For example, A, B, C, D are there, A separately, B separately, C separately, D separately. Change in the dosage form, ये भी हम कर सकते हैं कि डोसेज फॉर्म को ही चेंज कर देना. अगर डॉक्टर लिखा है तो सिरप लिखा है उसको कैप्सूल में बनाना, कैप्सूल लिखा है तो टैबलेट में बनाना, उसको बोलते हैं चेंज इन द डोसेज फॉर्म. और कोई इंग्रेडिएंट रिएक्ट हो रहा बोले तो वो इंग्रेडिएंट उसको चेंज कर देना, उसको चेंज करना, उसको बदले में दूसरा इंग्रेडिएंट डालना, उसका एक्शन भी रहता है ना, वो चेंज नहीं होना, उसको बोलते हैं केमिकल incompatibility overcoming. That is called the method of overcoming. Last one, therapeutic incompatibility. Therapeutic incompatibility is nothing but changes in the therapeutic quality. So thereby what happen, it changes the therapeutic action. That is also not wanted. So upon changing in the its pharmacological action, that is not at all wanted in the formulation. So such type of incompatibility is called the therapeutic incompatibility. So here what happens, changes its quality. So there are again the number of types of the therapeutic incompatibility will be there. The first one is the प्रेस्क्रिप्शन राइटिंग एरर, प्रेस्क्रिप्शन लिखते हैं ना वहां पे गलत हो जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं प्रेस्क्रिप्शन राइटिंग एरर। नोमेनक्लेचर एरर, नोमेनक्लेचर एरर, सो प्रेस्क्रिप्शन राइटिंग करते वक्त ही उनका इन क्वांटिटी यार वो बदले में आ जाता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं नोमेनक्लेचर एरर। एक्सेसिव सिंगल डोज मींस एक दिन में कितना डोज लेना है उससे ज्यादा लेते हैं ना एक टाइम पे, उसको बोलते हैं एक्सेसिव सिंगल डोज। और एक्सेसिव डेली डोज, फॉर एग्जांपल वन डे में, एक दिन में हम लोग कितना लेना उससे ज्यादा लेते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं एक्सेसिव डेली डोसेज। इफ द प्रेस्क्रिप्शन कंटेन एंटागोनिज्म इन कॉम्बिनेशन, okay, opposing the action of the one drug to the other, that is called as an antagonism. Synergetic in combination of the prescription, अगर प्रेस्क्रिप्शन में कंटेन इंग्रेडिएंट रहा है तो एक एक्शन को और एक एक्शन बढ़ाता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं सिनर्जिज्म। अगर उससे भी ये थेरेपेटिक इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी होता है। तो दिस इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी टाइप्स कैन बी overcome by simple consulting with the physician, rectify the errors which is exist in the prescription and dispense in a right way. So that is called as the rectification of the therapeutic incompatibility. Okay, so these are the three important the incompatibility which exist in the pharmaceutical preparation. Hope you are understand this incompatibility chapter very easily. Thanks for watching.